Hi everyone, I'm Pamela Floriborde and today I'm going to describe my cardiovascular conditioning prescription. So here's my components and target. My frequency is 5 times a week. Then my intensity is 90 beats per minute. And my heart rate reserve and target heart rate is 80% to 60 to 100 beats. So how did I get my 80% is my H97 times 0.7, the formula minus 99 equals negative 80.81. So it's 90 to 99 per bit. I'm doing my warm-up like dynamic stretch, exercises, jumping jacks, high knees, core exercise, circuit training, and then my cool down is static stretching, exercises, squat, leg raise, and push up and curl up. Then my time is 1 minute, then core exercises.